$100 cash back. YouTube, what's going on? Welcome to Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. So a while back, I did a review on a credit card of up to $10,000, even with bad credit. This card has gone through a little bit of a change, and I just want to do an updated review on this card. So the previous video was an in-depth review. I'm just going to kind of skim over everything here, just go over some of the changes here. The card we're talking about today is called the Tomo card, and I do have a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. So one of the main questions I get asked is this card legit? And yes, 100% it's legit. I use this card all the time. I use it so much, my card is actually worn out. So I'm here at their website and it says, no credit score needed, up to $10,000. Your financial freedom starts here. Even if you receive that $10,000 limit, don't get all excited. Don't go out and start balling out and buy this and buy that and buy the third, because the $10,000 limit really doesn't mean too much, and I'll explain why. The reason Tomo can offer a credit limit of up to $10,000 without a credit score is because they go off of your bank information. So the way you apply is you enter your personal information and you link your bank account. Now, if you only have a few $100s going through that bank account every month, you're not going to be approved here. So if you have direct deposit, have a positive balance, don't have any negatives within the past 3 months, don't have any NSFs, you're likely to get approved for this card. Now, I would say this card is more of a credit building card than an actual credit card, because they do report to the 3 major credit bureaus. I'll get into a little bit of how it works in a second. Now, the amount you actually get approved for is based on your bank balance. My average bank balance is around $2,500 to $3,000, right? I was only approved for $500, but that's fine, because unlike a traditional credit card, this card, you have to pay back the balance in full every week, which means you can't carry a balance at all. So if you get approved for $500, you use that full $500, you need to pay that back by the end of the week. And Tomo repayment automatically falls on Sunday. So like I was saying earlier, if you get approved for $10,000 and you spend that full 10, well, you're gonna have to pay that back at the end of the week. So as I'm editing this video, it turns out there's a little issue with this card. I've had a few subs contact me asking me what's going on with this Tomo card. I go to apply and it's not letting me. So I went on the website to see what was going on, and it turns out there's been a waiting list for this card. And not only has there been a waiting list, but there's been a waiting list for more than a few months as of this video. So I'm out here recommending this card not knowing there's a waiting list. In that same few days, I go to use my Tomo card and it's declined. Now that must be some sort of mistake, because I know I have money on this card. I log onto my Tomo account to see why my card's been declined, and it turns out my account's been closed. Not only is my card being closed, but the whole Tomo credit building product, the whole card, has been discontinued. Now this is crazy because I received no notice. I received no email. I received no letter, I received no text, because I get text notifications. I received no text, nothing at all stating that my account was gonna be closed or that this product was gonna be discontinued. The only thing I can think of is that they ran out of financing, because they do offer credit to people with bad credit or no credit. And maybe these people have been defaulting and run out of financing and can't fund the product any further. But still, just to cancel the product from one day to the next, not receiving any notification, the only way I found out is when I went to use the card and it was declined. So all the highlights of this card that I've talked about, up to a $10,000 credit limit, even with bad credit, no interest, no hidden fees, and on and on. With this card no longer being available, all that's null and void. Also, what I consider a shady move by discontinuing this product without any notification, that's 2 thumbs down in my book. But I did receive a notification via email of a new product that Tomo is releasing, and they asked me to make a review video on this product. So I'm still pretty upset that they discontinued this card. As I mentioned before, I use this card all the time. So since they want me to make a review video on this product, I'm gonna make a 100% honest, non-biased review on this video. So if you were interested in this product, check out the review I have on their new credit building product. I want to thank you for watching, and if you're on your credit building journey and need to repair your credit and have negative items on your credit report, need to remove collections, check out my credit repair membership course along with all the other links in the description. Thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.